Are you excited for prom?
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Wait, so have you gotten your dress yet?
Yeah, want to see it?
Oh, that's so pretty.
Thanks.
Have you already bought it, or did you just try it on?
Yeah, I ordered it online already.
Oh, so you haven't tried it on yet?
No, not yet.
See, I was gonna get my dress. I've gone shopping a couple times, but I just don't want to like buy one until I actually have a date, and I don't have one yet. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Do you guys want to see?
Well, I think it's really pretty. It looks like one of those ones that like would fit well even if you haven't tried it on. Like it would look good on even if it seems like it's not gonna, yeah, I totally get it. So have you gotten asked yet?
Not yet.
You don't? Who do you want to ask you?
Shoot, do you hear them? They're already talking about prom.
What?
Yeah.
Homecoming was like 2 weeks ago.
I know, I haven't even thought about it.
Oh, I haven't either.
I don't know what to do. I'm not sure if I should do it in like some extravagant way or it should be more like low key.
I've seen people like go into their trunks and stuff. And this guy like go into this girl's car and have like a sign. So what you do is you break into her car. Just break in.
I feel like
just
I think that's creepy though.
No, it's cool. You're going to ask her to prom and she's like, oh, prom. Makes sense. So you can do whatever you want. You can probably like commit arson or something.
I'll have to think about it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't even know.
Like I don't even know what to do. I need a prom miracle.
Same, dude.
Don't worry, friends. I'm the prom fairy from Planet Prom, a place where you can learn everything you need to know about that magical night.
Perfect timing.
Wait, can you take us there?
Yes, of course, but there's only one way to get to Planet Prom. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Five, four, three, two, one. We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky, little Einstein. Climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find, little Einstein.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah, let's just do it.
It's a rocket ship. I mean, this rocket ship's kind of cool, but there's not very much room. Honestly.
I know, it's kind of cozy.
I like cozy sometimes, but when we're traveling for a couple years from Mars, or Planet Prom, We gotta be serious. We can't be talking about food.
We're gonna go down in history.
Oh,
Like toothpaste.
oh no, dude, asteroids.
Ah!
Oh no, I got it.
Oh my gosh.
Careful. Mateo Sundberg. It's May 13th. I think we just landed on Earth. Let's see what's out there.
It's too hard to sleep. I got the sheets on the floor, nothing on me. And I can't take it no more, it's 100 degrees. I got one foot out the door, where are my keys? Cause I gotta leave, yeah, in the back of the cab. I took the drive, I had a turn, get me the fast. I got your body on my mind, I want it bad. Ooh, just the thought of you gets me so high, so high. Girl, you the one I want to move it. And if you want me, girl, you got me. There's nothing I know I wouldn't do.
Hey man, we did it.
Yeah, we did.
Girl, you the one I want to move it. And if you want me, girl, you got me. There's nothing I know I wouldn't do. I wouldn't do. Just to get up next to you. Just to get up next to you. You open the door, wearing nothing but a smile, fell to the floor. And you whisper in my ear, baby, I'm yours. Ooh, just the thought of you gets me so high, so high. Girl, you the one I want to move it. And if you want me, girl, you got me. There's nothing I know I wouldn't do. I wouldn't do. Just to get up next to you. Girl, you the one I want to move it. And if you want me, girl, you got me. There's nothing I know I wouldn't do. I wouldn't do. Just to get up next to you. Yeah. Just to get up next to you. Just the thought of you gets me so high.
All right, I'm here on Planet Prom. I went to find a bathroom, but I couldn't find one, and I can't find the spaceship or Colin. But I found this sweet playground over here. That's what they call it here on Planet Prom. But so I'm going to show you my friend Ty. I don't even know his name, but he's going to help me film this. So parkour on Planet Prom. You got it? It's a record button, okay? All right. This is the closest thing I'll ever be to a Jedi. Hello, can I take your order? Here at McDonald's.